Today is Thursday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so at the time of my filming of this video, today is Thursday, January 9th, and WTF LA. So yesterday the news broke that pretty much all of LA, slight exaggeration, was on fire. And so at the time of my filming, there have been 5 deaths, and according to reports, they are expecting that number to increase. 2025 has come in here just raging, and so I know many of you who watch the channel are in California, and just really praying that you yourself, none of your family members, friends are experiencing anything related to the fire, loss of home, loss of job, anything like that. And so just coming to you guys, praying that everything is well. I know that I have quite a few of you all who watch, who live in LA. So just praying that everything with you and yours is okay. So as I started to film today's video, just kind of thought about, you know, what I wanted to come to you guys and share. It was kind of like, gosh, do I really put up a YouTube video in the midst of everything that is going on? So I kind of hemmed and hawed about that a little bit, and then I said to myself, well, I like to watch YouTube as well. Yes, I am a YouTuber, but I also go to YouTube for entertainment. And on the days where I'm not feeling my best, on the days where I'm sad, on the days where, you know, I'm a little down in the dumps, I do turn to YouTube for not only inspiration, but also laughter and, you know, quick pick-me-ups. So with that, I just said I needed to go ahead with the video, because if you're anything like me, then you do look to YouTubers for a source of entertainment, a source of escape from the day-to-day. And what I say also is, if you are, let's say you're not in California, as I am not, right? And things are good in your life right now, I think that you should go ahead with celebrating the happy times in your life, because if you live long enough, it's just the nature of the beast, you will have some sad times in your life. So enjoy the happy times when you have the happy times. And yes, you want to recognize the sad times, the depressing times that maybe a friend, or let's say, you know, out in California, those individuals that we don't know, we can still, as members of society, the human race, have compassion for those individuals who are going through a rough time. But you don't need to now fall into a deep depression and sadness because other people are going through something. So with that, we're going to go ahead with today's video. Just know that my heart, prayers, my family's prayers are going out to everyone out in California. And so in today's video, as you guys saw already, I have done a little bit of skincare. Skincare, taking care of oneself, is an awesome pick-me-up. I think I mentioned to you guys the latter part of 2024 that I was going to do more self-care. And it's not that I wasn't taking care of myself before. I have always been a big proponent of taking care of me, she, me, her. But just really going to focus on it a little bit more here in 2025. So did a little bit of self-care. I made my coffee. I'm absolutely still enjoying my Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier. All those names. Absolutely loving it. Shout out to all of you who dropped down and said that you don't drink coffee. My hat is off to you guys many times over. I've said in the past that I was going to kick the coffee habit, but for me, it's not necessarily the burst of adrenaline or caffeine high that I get from the coffee. It is, especially now with my new coffee machine, it is all of the tinkering and all of the barista type stuff that goes along with making the coffee. I really look forward to it. I mean, so much so, I think I am absolutely addicted to the process of making the coffee, because I know at night sometimes I will turn over and I'll glance at the clock and I'll say, oh man, it's only 3 o'clock. I still have quite a few hours to go before I can get up, tip downstairs and make my coffee. It's the experience of the coffee making for me. So anyway, you guys will have also just saw me going around and putting new picks into some of my vessels. Some of the vessels are new, some are old, and I feel that putting out picks, meaning floral picks and, you know, stems, faux stems like that, for me, that is absolutely just the best way, a really super inexpensive way of adding visual value, if you will, to a space in your home. Drop down, leave a comment, let me know, are you guys still in this day, January the 9th, looking at your Christmas tree, right? Are you still looking on this day, January 9th, looking at garland and all of the holiday decor that you so eagerly placed up back in October, November? Is that stuff still sitting there? And do you still have the excitement for it that you had, you know, 2-3 months ago? Let me know. Mine is all gone. Today I went around and I put up the last little pieces and I pulled out all of the decor that had been put away because it needed to make room for the Christmas decor. And on yesterday, day before yesterday, I went to Michael's and I picked up a few new picks. Some of the picks that you saw me put out, I already had, but they were kind of stashed away. And for me, when I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of money, the picks, like I said, they are the simplest way, because anybody can go and get a vessel and just stick some plants in, right? So it's super easy. And it can be super inexpensive as well. When I picked up mine the other day from Michael's, if you do not have the Michael's app, I implore you to get the Michael's app, because I get coupons all the time for just, you know, any crafting or anything like that. And not sure if you guys knew it, but Michael's does have a really good floral department. And I know for a long time, we're going to wrap this up. I've turned this into a whole floral pick segment, but for a long time I didn't do the faux plants and faux trees and things like that, because, you know, I just always thought real was better. But it just, without fail, every time I put real plants in the house, no matter how well I treated the soil, no matter the condition of the plant when I bought it, little gnats would always surface, and it was just a whole big ordeal. So I don't really put real plants in the house. You guys will have to drop down, leave a comment, let me know. All right guys, OOTD, yes, get into it. I am so proud of myself, right? I am sticking to my little proclamation that I made to you guys at the end of last year, where I said, you know what, I know y'all tired of those little Amazon leggings, and so when I come to you guys in 2025, I would not have them on, and I think I'm doing pretty good. However, this set is from Amazon. Yes, the top and the bottoms are from Amazon. They are a set. I absolutely love sets for their convenience, and so I decided, well, if I'm not going to wear the Amazon leggings, and you guys know I said that I wear the Amazon leggings because, you know, really, where are we going? And then they are just so easy. They're just so good. When I come in here, I know I'm going to grab those black pair of leggings, and I think I'm like talking myself back into them. I grab that black pair of leggings and anything works with them. Uggs, sneakers, boots, anything. And then the top, you know, the bottoms are black, so any top would work. But you guys deserve better. So here we are. Now these bottoms are black, but get into the little detail here. They're drawstring. I love that they're super flowy. And the top has the coordinating little drawstring. The top and the drawstring for this particular set are actually the same color. You guys see, very flowy. Loving the pockets, and I have them on with a pair of Sambas, making the look a little bit more relaxed. Looks like I didn't put a whole lot into it. That is my vibe. But I could see this look absolutely being dressed up with, you know, a nice pair of boots, you know, maybe a pair of loafers. So absolutely love it. Love it so much that I picked it up in another color. Here I have it in this like camel brown, and these pants are black. Also, the little drawstring there on these, the string is actually black. But when I saw this on the website, I was like, this is really giving me all of the Zara feels. You guys know, if you've ever shopped at Zara online, Zara can be a whole, Zara can really be an ordeal when you're shopping there online. I feel that the website is a bit busy. I feel they just have so much on there, and when I'm looking for clothes, I just like it to be easy, and I just feel that Zara's website is it just bombards you with clothing. Who needs all of those freaking clothes? It's just too much for me. I feel that when I go over to Amazon, and this is not a whole, you know, I'm not sponsored or anything, it's just I find Amazon to be super easy. And now, I'm not sure if this is a new feature, but I just discovered it. You can take a picture and put it into Amazon, the little search window there, and it will show you identical or almost identical pieces to the picture you posted. So for me, this is giving absolutely Zara, right? I saw something to this similar on Zara's website, and I was like, well, okay, I love it, but then how do I know what size to get? In the past, right? Zara's just, I don't know, it's just a whole lot for me to shop there. Kudos to you girls who can go over to Zara, find what you want, and you know, you're in love. For me, I have a definite hate relationship with Zara. I don't like their website, that's A, and then 2, if I have to go into Zara to return something, the girls at the counter act like their first, last, middle name is Zara. So no, I don't go to Zara anymore. I will never ever shop at Zara again. Not when I can go to Amazon and get a very similar look. Because it is super cold outside, I'm going to need a coat. Guys, I got this coat from Amazon as well. Again, giving me all of the Zara vibes, right? Zara does an amazing job by keeping everyone on trend, providing all of the cute, fab, chic looks, whatever you want to call it. But again, it's just the hassle that I have experienced when going to the mall and then shopping online. I just don't, it's just not a casual shopping experience for me. This look, especially when I put the coat on, gives me all of the Zara looks, the Zara feels, the Zara vibes, without all of the Zara hassle. I absolutely love this look. If I were to order this from Zara and I got my size wrong, it would just take an act of God for those girls to, of course I would get my money back, but it's just the looks and the attitude, and I'm just trying to be in a peaceful Zen space these days. So I don't have time to go in there and haggle with these girls like they are in the back sewing the clothes and their first, last, middle names are Zara. So no, for me, I love the Zara look without all the Zara hassle. So I absolutely love this. Shopping on Amazon, you know, it does have some issues as well. You never know what the vendor, you know, the sizing and things like that. It can absolutely be off. But what I have found to be true with Amazon is, girl, they will take your stuff back, right? They will take your stuff back. And like I said, I have platinum status over there on Amazon. So when I print my shipping label, my money is refunded immediately, so I can continue on, you know, with the shopping. But you guys will have to let me know what you think about this look. Hopefully I have put some pictures in for you guys, but this is a win-win for me. And then today's OOTD, I think we're gonna go old school. I think we'll go old school and pull out the Speedy. Look at this. Look at this. You cannot tell me this is giving Banana Republic, not even Zara. So I absolutely love this look. I will of course have everything linked down below. But yeah, we're getting ready to head out, run a couple of 2-3 errands. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I just love this.